Stay connected to your home, alert to every movement, anytime. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Wyze Solar Cam Pan, a solar-powered security camera that offers full 360-degree rotation, 2K video resolution, color night vision, and smart motion tracking. With solar charging, two-way audio, and app-based controls, it delivers continuous, flexible monitoring while reducing the need for frequent charging or wiring. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Wyze Solar Cam Pan. Solar panel. Camera mounting bracket. Solar panel mounting bracket. 2-foot charging cable. Camera mounting kit. Solar panel mounting kit. Camera mounting drilling guide. Sticker. Quick start guide. Technical specifications. Let's break down the Wyze Solar Cam Pan specs. This is the Wyze ESCPWH model, built with a durable polycarbonate body and a glass and plastic lens, and it carries IP65 weather resistance for outdoor use. The camera records in sharp 2K resolution and supports both color night vision and infrared night vision. It offers a wide 130-degree diagonal field of view, with smooth 360-degree horizontal pan and 70-degree vertical tilt, giving you full area coverage, along with up to 8 times digital zoom for closer detail. Video runs at 20 frames per second during the day and 15 frames per second at night. For nighttime security, it uses dual infrared LEDs and 2 white LED spotlights for added visibility and deterrence. Audio features include a built-in digital microphone, two-way audio, and a powerful 105 decibel siren. Storage options include cloud recording through a Wyze subscription or local microSD card support, up to 512 gigabytes, plus push notifications for alerts. Connectivity includes 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 4, 5, and 6 support, Bluetooth setup, and compatibility with Android and iOS devices. Power comes from an integrated 1.8-watt solar panel paired with a 6,400 mAh battery, delivering up to 6 months of battery life when not plugged in, and it's designed to operate reliably in temperatures from -20 to 50 degrees Celsius. Product features. The camera delivers full area surveillance with 360 degrees horizontal pan and 70 degrees vertical tilt. This allows it to follow motion and cover blind spots that fixed cameras can miss. One camera can monitor large outdoor spaces with ease. An integrated 1.8-watt solar panel keeps the built-in battery topped up throughout the day. When fully charged, it can last up to 6 months without plugging into power. This makes it ideal for flexible outdoor placement. It captures sharp 2K video for clear details during the day and night. Dual white spotlights enable color night vision, while infrared LEDs handle low light conditions. You get better visibility no matter the lighting. The built-in microphone and speaker allow clear two-way communication through the app. A powerful 105 decibel siren can be triggered remotely to deter intruders. It adds an extra layer of active security when needed. The Wyze Solar Cam Pan leverages AI to distinguish between different types of motion, including people, vehicles, and animals. It delivers precise, informative push notifications straight to your phone, so you always know what's happening at home. This smart detection minimizes false alerts, ensuring you're notified only about what truly matters. Product overview. The camera body is designed for extensive coverage, featuring a motorized gimbal that allows for a 360-degree horizontal pan and a 70-degree vertical tilt. On the front of the unit, the interface includes a spotlight and IR lights for night vision, a light sensor, a status light, and a microphone. The lower section of the face contains a PIR sensor for motion detection, while the area just above the lens houses the setup button and a micro SD card slot for local storage. The back of the device is equipped with a speaker and a charging indicator. The side and mounting components facilitate power and installation through a dedicated power port, 5 volts 2 amps, located on the camera body. To secure the device to a surface, it utilizes a camera mounting bracket that features a push-release mechanism for easy detachment. The system is powered by an external solar panel that provides a sustainable energy source. This panel is supported by its own specialized solar panel mounting bracket, which allows it to be positioned independently from the camera to maximize sun exposure. App connection. Download the Wyze app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. This account will manage all your Wyze devices and notifications. Launch the Wyze app on your Android or iOS device, then tap the plus icon and select Add Device, then choose Camera and select your cam. Follow the on-screen instructions to prepare the camera for pairing, including confirming the LED is blinking. Press the setup button located at the bottom of the camera to enable pairing mode. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials in the app so the cam can join your network. Once the app confirms a successful connection, you can name the device, set motion detection preferences, and adjust lighting or recording settings. How to install. Choose a suitable spot about 7 to 10 feet above the ground with a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Ensure good Wi-Fi strength and minimal obstructions like trees or busy roads. Drill pilot holes and use the included screws and anchors to secure the camera's mounting bracket to a flat vertical surface. Mount the camera onto its bracket until it clicks securely in place. Connect the solar panel cable to the back of the camera, then position the panel so it receives direct sunlight for optimal charging. Wrap any excess cable neatly using the built-in cable organizer and adjust the tilt or rotation as needed. Complete the setup in the Wyze app, test the live view, and verify motion detection coverage. Make any fine adjustments to the camera angle or solar panel direction to ensure full coverage and consistent power from sunlight. Safety tips. Provide adequate sunlight exposure. Use the correct Wi-Fi and setup. Secure the weather seal. Maintain connection proximity. Avoid static mounting hazards. Keep firmware and app updated. Product comparison. The Wyze Solar Cam Pan features a weather-resistant IP65 rated design with a durable plastic body and an integrated solar panel for continuous outdoor power. The Wyze Battery Cam Pro also has a rugged plastic construction, but relies solely on its internal rechargeable battery, making it more compact and easier to move. Both cameras offer 1080p HD video streaming with night vision, but the Solar Cam Pan includes a motorized pan feature for 360 degrees horizontal coverage, while the Battery Cam Pro has a fixed field of view without automatic rotation. The Solar Cam Pan draws power continuously from its solar panel, minimizing reliance on the 2,600 mAh internal battery, whereas the Battery Cam Pro relies fully on its rechargeable battery, up to 6 months on a single charge. Both support micro SD card storage and cloud storage options, but the Solar Cam Pan can sustain longer uptime with minimal recharging. Pros and cons. The Wyze Solar Cam Pan stands out with its built-in solar panel, helping reduce manual recharging while delivering wide 360-degree pan and tilt coverage. Its 2K video quality, AI person tracking, motion spotlight, and siren make it a strong option for outdoor security, along with two-way audio and local storage support. However, performance depends heavily on proper placement and sunlight availability, and frequent pan movement can increase power usage. Advanced smart alerts may require a subscription, and continuous 24/7 recording isn't ideal on solar power alone. Overall, it's a low-maintenance security camera that works best in well-lit areas with strong Wi-Fi coverage. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.